Hello guys, today is September the 2nd, 2008. I started with Herbalife program since May 19, 2008. That means since 3 months and 2 weeks ago, I started with this Herbalife management program to lose weight. And so far I've been losing about 21 pounds. That is about 10 kilograms, 9 kilograms and a half, something like that. I started in 187 pounds and right now I'm 163.68. I need to count all the points as well. So I think it is working. I'm doing my 2 shakes a day with my Smart Food or Smart Meal. And just since last Friday, August the 29th, the friend who introduced me to this Herbalife program, my sponsor, he told me about a variation about this Herbalife program that consists just to drink milkshakes during a period of 9 days. That is, the first day just milkshakes, about 3 to 4 milkshakes in intervals, in 2-3 hours intervals, something like that. Now the next day, the second day, I can have as a meal some salad and chicken. The third day, again the milkshakes, and I can add a protein bar. The point is that I don't have to pass more than 800 to 900 calories per day. Let's see, no, right now is Tuesday. I started Friday, and I'm gonna do this 9 days program. And after that I'm going to do a video to show you the results. Anyways, I hope that at the end of December or January I can have some results, good news for everybody. Let's see, I don't know if right now you can notice some difference in my face. If you can notice that it's less puffy. I don't know. In my first or second video, I don't remember right now, I show you my tummy. Right now I'm going to show you my tummy again, and you can see if there is some difference. As well, I'm going to show you my arm, and you can see if I'm still having some lean or some tone in my muscles. And after that, I'm going to finish this video. So hope to see you next week, and thank you for all your support, for all these people that have been writing to me. Thank you. Let's see, no? Let's continue. I'm not gonna give up. Let's see. So I'm gonna show you now the tummy. But first the arm. This is the arm. You can see if there is some muscle. Before I didn't have anything. And now I think I have some muscle. Okay. You see the face. And now the tummy. I'm cheating like that, no? But this is the normal tummy, and you can check the previous video, the first or second video that I did, if there is some difference. I'm releasing everything over there. The actual tummy. No 6 packs so far. Or I hope soon I can start having some muscles. So hope to see you next week.